Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a FundingPips account with Trust Wallet. First, install and set up Trust Wallet by downloading the app, creating your wallet, and saving your recovery phrase carefully because it is very important for account access. Next, add funds to your wallet by opening Trust Wallet and buying or receiving USDT. Make sure you have enough balance to cover both the account price and the network or gas fees. After that, go to the FundingPips website and log into your account. Then click on Start Challenge or Buy Account to begin. Now, choose your account by selecting the model, such as 1-step, 2-step, or instant, and then select your account size, like 5K or 10K. Next, go to the checkout page and click Proceed to Payment. After that, select Crypto Payment and choose USDT or the Crypto Payment option. Now, copy the payment details carefully. You will see the wallet address, the network type such as TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, and the exact amount. Then, open Trust Wallet and select your USDT. Tap Send, paste the FundingPips wallet address, and make sure you select the same network because it is very important. After that, enter the exact amount and confirm the transaction. Now, approve the transaction and pay the network or gas fee to complete the transfer. Finally, wait for confirmation. The transfer usually takes around 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the network, and after that, you will receive your account login details and trading platform access, such as MT4, MT5, or CTrader. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.